Episode 11, Pumpkin Spice Latte or Coffee from Scratch. Hello and welcome back. Let's start off by making some pumpkin puree. Start with a pie pumpkin, also known as a sugar pumpkin. Slice it down the middle from the stem and cut to the opposite side of the stem, but don't waste your time on the stem, it's way too strong. Once sliced, it will easily split open. Just rip it from the bottom. Grab a spoon, take out all the seeds and guts. You can keep the seeds, clean them and roast them for a snack, but not today. Sprinkle a little salt in each cavity and flip them so the open side is facing down on some parchment paper. And put them in your 400-degree oven for 45 minutes to an hour until it is knife tender. Remove your now roasted pumpkins and put all the good stuff in a blender and just blend it until smooth. Once it is smooth, you now have a very nice, very mild tasting pumpkin puree. And it makes me wonder why people don't roast pumpkins more. They are actually very tasty. And now, the main event, the pumpkin spice latte / pumpkin coffee. Assemble your coffee fixins. We have cold brew and simple syrup from our previous episode, along with 2 cups of milk, pumpkin pie spice seasoning, and a mug of your choice. Add your milk to a pot, add a dash of pumpkin pie spice, and 2 heaping spoons of puree, and 1 spoonful of simple syrup. Don't get heavy-handed with the sweetness, you can always add more later. Bring the milk to a simmer, do not boil. Once it gets all simmer-y, you are done. Add some cold brew into the cup, it doesn't have to be hot. And we will not water it down because we're going to add our pumpkin-y, milky goodness to it in place of espresso. Use whatever the hell you want. Hot coffee, instant coffee, cold brew from a year ago, I don't care. Just make this because it is next level. You're ready to enjoy a smooth, light, pumpkin-y latte that tastes so much better and different from Starbucks. It's actually scary. Like, what the hell is in that neon orange syrup? The world may never know. But we know that this is fresh roasted pumpkin. And now, Teresa's 2-second review.
Fuck yeah.
And there you have it. Next episode, we'll be using more of the puree. Thank you for watching.